wake Philomena Mwilu maraugamirire cira wa kuhagurwo kwa Rigathi Gachagua na kuringana na ndumiriri yake Kome amurite majaji Eric Ogolla, Anthony Mrima na Dagitari Frida Mugambi guthikiriria cira uyu weru uria utwaritwo ni anyiti itemi matiganite makiuga ndereti ya kumuhagura Gachagua rumirire watho na gatiba. Kome oho nehenite itwe cira ucio ukagwetwo tariki 29 mweri uyu kuria igoti rikaheana mwerekera wa makiria uria cira uyu ugatwarithio na mbere. Na riu mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni areganite na muhuhu wa ati ari na itanya ria gucemania na mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto mihang'o-ini ya kwarira mitaratara yake kuingira thirikari-ini ya broad based. Kalonzo augite ari mihang'o-ini ya kumba ngwataniro ya kiuteti iria igutigirira Ruto ni one term president. Njau wa Kinuthia na riboti ino.
Kurumirira muhuhu wa ati mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ari mubango-ini wa kuingira thirikari-ini riu ni eyumiritie na guteaniria riboti iyo akiuga guthie na mbere na mito yake ya guthondeka ngwataniro ya giuteti ya gutigirira Ruto ni one term president githurano-ini gia 2027
Finance Bill 2025.
Kalonzo akinyiriria ati we ndanginyitanira na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza amuku ni guthigana a Kenya.
Not this government. This one we have to take home. Tena mapema sana. Oh, the commitment is amazing. And we are doing it with the Kenyan people. Kumbuka hashtag Ruto must go. Hiyo ndio hashtag. Sasa niungane na watu wanaenda nyumbani? Hapana, sio mimi.
Ihinda-ini riu ni oritie Kenya gweterera kumbwo kwa ngwataniro nene ya giuteti iria ikurehe mugaruruku, akiuga we angithurwo ta president akamba kurungiriria ruhonge rwa githomo na kuheana mathomo matari marihi ngathi-ini ciothe.
Free education should be taken a notch higher. Whether or not it will be my executive order number 2, will await the input of the professionals, Catherine Juma. But we can do free primary education, free secondary education in our public schools, and even free university education. If we stop the stealing, there will be free university education.
No moriti Kenya kumulika na kinyi mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa 2025-2026 na kuregana na mwagikorwo matirarumbuia mabataro ma muingi.
Ila kuchao ni ufisadi, lazima jambo hili likomeshwe na wenye nia safi, uwezo wako na wanajulikana. Kwa hivyo ngojee muundo mpya wa upinzani, alafu zote tushikamane, tuseme jamaa waende nyumbani. Kwanza watakuwa one term.
Kalonzo ningi ni okirire thirikari ni kwenda kuhinga tunuo twa atongoria aria marang'ethanira nayo na njira ya kumanyamaria.
What I have a problem with is policies and the people he has put in office. Therefore, I choose to stand with the people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinuthia.
Na riu amwe a thiriti ya uria wari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ni mokirire thirikari ya president William Ruto ni kumehereria arangiri ao. Mubunge wa Naivasha Jane Kihara ni umwe wa aria morotete thirikari riu akiuga muturire wake uri hatikaine na undu wothe ungimuhanikira president Ruto no ufatie gukuwithio murigo. Atongoria mwena wa mung'ethaniro toria wari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua na governor wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya icaini ikuhi makionekana kung'etherwo ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Riu amwe aria megiritanagia na Gachagua maugite ni marikitie kwehererio arangiri ao mahitia mao manene ari gukorwo na ngwataniro ya hakuhi nake.
So I don't know how we are supposed to operate, whether we are supposed to have goons in the cars with pangas and rungus. And I'm calling on the president because he was all over campaign saying that he will never use security forces to advance his politics. Plus also being a Gachagua friend is not a crime.
Mubuge wa Naivasha Jane Kihara augite muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giki nirio murangiri wake athirwo ekinye wabici-ini ya munene wake na hau agitunyukithio mushinga wake na thimu yake.
So even when this shooting was happening, he was not there. So I'm raising concern because I don't know whether it's because I'm a woman. I know it has happened to Wanjiko Mohia also. They took his bodyguard. And his bodyguard and my bodyguard, we are entitled. MPs are entitled to a bodyguard.
Kihara augite kuringana na murangiri wake erirwo ekinye niguo kuhugwo mahuri ciigie gututhuka kwa Gahiha hindi ya kuruguria kiama gia Gachagua kia DCP itumikiria Kihara ateanirie kuona murangiri wake ndari ho Gahiha igituthuka riu akiorota president ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kuiganania kandi ciake cia kiuteti.
If you're going to use security to frustrate the friends of Gachagua, it is all in vain. I don't think you'll go very far.
Aria ngimerikanite kwehererio arangiri ni mubunge wa Kibeberi Wanjiko Mohia, mubunge wa Embakasi Central Major Dong Benjamin Gathiro, senator wa Murang'a John Nyeto, mubunge wa Embakasi North James Gakuya, na uria wari minister wa urimi Mithika Linturi. Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa DCI ni marethana na atongoria a kiutetia kuma gicigo kia Western aria mekoirwo gukorwo mafangite Gahiha iria cieyumiririe riria mafitha IEACC mekaga birigiceni mucii kwa governor wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya. Atongoria aya aria maritwa mao matagwetetwo merikanite gukorwo nio macogeire arurungani magithukangia wira wothe uria wonganitio nyumba ya Natembeya mwena wa Kitale na gukinyiria riu andu 14 nio maikitio ngono. Wangui wa Muiruri niwe uratutariria riboti ino.
Ni birigiceni iria yahanikire mwambiririo wa kiumia giki mucii kwa governor wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya igitafanio ni kamiti ya kuhitana na ungumania EACC uthuthuria-ini wa uhuthiri moru wa wabici na ungumania wa kigina kia muingi iria yagumirwo ni Gahiha. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamiti ya EACC David Ogide, Gahiha ici ciekuirwo gukorwo ciakiriirio ni atongoria a kiuteti a kuma gicigo kia Western.
So you say EACC only goes for small fish. But when we go for the big fish, you say they are being politically used to target certain individuals. It is very unfortunate because this is what gives these people the courage, the boldness, the impunity to continue acting, and they mobilize their people to come and follow them to our offices, sometimes to court.
Gukinyaniria na riu ekuirwo 18 nio maikitio ngono. Kamiti ino ya EACC ikiuga ekuirwo anene aria ni atongoria a kiuteti ni megukorwo magiikio ngono ica ikuhi.
That investigation is still going on, and at this point we can't say who are the people who are likely to be associated with that whole incident. But we believe that whoever it is, they will be brought to book, and legal action will be taken against them. One, for destroying the property, and second, for obstructing public servants who are doing their work.
Kamiti ino yugite arorongani aria meyumiririe hindi ya birigiceni ino mahetwo wira wa guthukangia wira wothe uria wonganitio wigie Natembeya wa kumukuruhania na ungumania, undu uria augite ni kieha kuona muingi ukihuthirwo ni ateti kumatetera riria manyitwo na cieko cia ungumania.
Some of the materials that we collected from that house, which was very critical for our investigation, was destroyed in the process. And we don't know whether that was the main reason. so that these documents are scattered and destroyed, and therefore the case is weakened.
Ogide urio kwaragia hende ya kigomano kiria gikurehete hamwe anyiti itemi hari kuhurana na ungumania ta UN Global Compact augete ni kieha kuona thengia wa Kenya gukorwo ari umwe wa mabururi maria ungumania ukoragwo ri iguru a Kenya ni mahembeirie ungumania.
As Kenyans, we do know that this is not something that requires a ranking. We are actually a people who believe in corruption. We want to make corruption unbeneficial so that the people who steal from the public, the resources that they steal, will follow them and get it back.
The UN Global Compact, we are guided by the 10th principle, which calls on businesses to work against corruption in all its forms, including extortion and bribery. This means that companies must integrate integrity into corporate strategies.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere gũikarania hamwe na ithuĩ twĩtĩkĩrie tũhũmũke na riboti ĩyo ya Wangui, riboti makĩria, wona twacokereria.